Yes. Dali, lalaglag, dali.
Hawakan mo na drink, hawakan mo na drink.
Bakit na lalaglag?
Lalagyan, lalagyan.
Na-enjoy ko. Sana you enjoyed my walk as much as I do. Magre-ready na ako para sa meet and greet tayo.
Ano sila sa bus mo?
Ay, ang good ka na. Tingnan mo. Sana tanggalin mo na yung backrest kasi medyo ang bigat.
Ay, oh, patanggalin na natin.
Hello!
Sit down.
Oh, that's for me. Oh, thank you so much. Very cute.
Take a photo. I know she's not. Yes, absolutely. So this is for you.
Thank you so much. Mwah.
You show your tattoo.
Thank you so much.
Oh, to the band.
Yes.
Where? Okay. That's me. Unang-una talaga si Angel Galang. Yes. Yes! The season 3 is here. It's in his skin. Thank you so much, darling. Enjoy here,
Yes, and
okay?
I'll come back and get some stuff.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're amazing.
Mwah. Mwah. Enjoy
You
your time.
smell amazing.
Really, thank you. Oh my God, ang bango ko daw.
See you later.
Ang bango ko daw. Tanggal yung ano. Dinikit ko na lang ulit.
One.
Okay, go.
Yes.
Ayan na. Wala na yung mga nangyayari. So, ayun na. Mahawak lang ako. Makikihawak lang ako. Or earrings. Ha? Dikit natin to. Kasi medyo natanggap. Oh, siya. Kita-kita na lang kami ulit mamaya. Kita-kita na lang ulit tayo mamaya ulit.
Ay, hindi ka pa mag-tour sa bus.
Ayan, timotor muna kayo ng boot. So, ayan, boot ko. Ay ba, date-date tayo. Ang atake is date-date. Kung ayaw naman ka date-date, edi dito tayo magmauyan tayo dito. May wine. Parents naman sa amin. Nakahalo pa kami. Ay ba? Ayan ang boot ko. That's my booth here. So, kung nandito na kayo sa UK,